Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO Y19s, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select System. From this panel go to Reset Options and mark Reset All Settings. And now if you truly want to perform this action, so as you can see it will restore some feature settings to their defaults, including function switches, options, personalized settings and content field and during setup. So if you truly want to do it, just mark Reset All Settings, draw a loop pattern, click on Reset All Settings, and that's it, that will be all. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.